1968 Ford Mustang Fastback Eleanor. When you think about the greatest icons of American automotive culture, few cars rival the 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. Even more legendary is the Eleanor, a car forced into pop culture immortality by the 2000 film Gone in 60 Seconds. It wasn't just a muscle car. It was cinema's symbol of speed, power, and style. Today's mods pay homage to that legacy, but few capture both heritage and heart as powerfully as this rotisserie built. Eleanor shown here. The moment you stand before it, everything about it says something unmistakable: history, performance, attitude. This Mustang isn't a typical restoration. It's a complete rotisserie build. That phrase alone tells a passionate car lover that the vehicle has been disassembled to bare metal. Every component inspected, repaired, replaced, and re-engineered before being reassembled. A rotisserie restoration goes beyond shiny paint and refurbished trim. It means addressing the soul of the car, the frame, suspension, body structure, welding points, seams, and even the innermost hideaways that most restorers never touch. The result is a car that looks stunning and drives with integrity and confidence. Essentially a brand new classic. Underneath its flawless exterior, this Mustang boasts a Gen 3 Ford Coyote 5.0-liter V8, a modern, high-flow DOHC, electronic fuel-injected masterpiece of engineering. Unlike the original 1968, small blocks that once rolled off production lines with modest horsepower figures, the Coyote brings 450+ horsepower plus strong torque from idle through redline, modern valve control, revised intake, and FE Ensure throttle response, signaling a dramatic leap in performance over stock counterparts. The Coyote engine's smooth yet potent delivery makes acceleration effortless, igniting both nostalgia and awe with every launch. It's what you'd expect from a classic that's been reborn for real-world excitement, not just show fidelity. Bring a trailer. Paired with that advanced engine is a 10-speed automatic transmission, the modern marvel that reshapes how power meets the pavement. Instead of clunky shifts or hesitations, the 10-speed provides razor-sharp gear changes and an exceptionally wide range of ratios, allowing the engine to stay in its optimal power band longer. The result: smooth highway cruising, brisk acceleration from a standstill, and confident passing power on the open road. This isn't just a classic Mustang. It's a modern muscle machine optimized for both driving pleasure and everyday usability. Bring a trailer.